This short morning meditation will help you start your day with a positive state of mind, full of gratitude. It will help you to live this wonderful day to the full by achieving your ideal state of mind. Take the time to settle into a comfortable position. And focus your attention on your breathing. Observing your body's movements with each inhalation and exhale. Feel your belly expand slightly. And your chest open to welcome the pure, invigorating air. Visualize every cell in your body being charged with the morning energy offered by the universe. This vibrant, positive energy soothes the mind, invigorates the body, and allows you to blossom from within. And let this energy shine outwards. Feel how freely this energy now flows throughout your body. By connecting with your breathing, you access your deepest resources. And let yourself go a little more, welcoming the harmony that develops within. In this relaxed, open state, energy flows into every corner of your being. You connect with your deepest nature. And you may feel a certain lightness or warmth in your diaphragm, or a gentle warmth. Now let an inner smile appear. A feeling that tells you this is going to be a wonderful day. You smile inwardly and this well-being begins to radiate. It shines on your face and can be felt in your posture. It will accompany you throughout the day. I invite you to repeat after me. I welcome this day with gratitude. I smile at life and life smiles back at me. I open myself to the opportunities this day offers. And whenever you want, you can let that big smile light up your face. And you can say thank you to yourself your body, your spirit, and to this wonderful day ahead. Go ahead, take a deep breath. Smile and open your eyes. And above all, don't forget to enjoy this beautiful day. As for me, I'll see you soon.